Hi everyone, welcome to our cozy earring making tutorial video. Feel free to play this video in the background as we create some fabulous earrings and enjoy some fun, artsy and relaxing moments together. Let's unbox one of our Acrylic Painted Spacey DIY kits. Inside you'll find cute cards to display your finished masterpieces, acrylic paint, this is only in the painted version of the kit, a treasure trove of charms, a bag filled with essential tools, a mix of beads, miniatures and jewellery findings. I suggest pouring the beads and findings into a small bowl or container because these little bits can be quite sneaky and disappear on you. Now let's dive into the basic tool bag. Inside you'll find an E6000 jewellery glue, pliers, a mini hand drill with 3 drill bits and a jump ring opener. I'll show you how to use that in a little bit. Go ahead and spread out your charms on the table. Picking which parts go with which can be time consuming, so feel free to hit pause and take your sweet time. Ready to add some colour to your charms? To test your pens, grab a sheet of paper, press down on the paint pen's tip and wait a few seconds for the magic to happen. When it comes to colour combos, I like to use light paint on darker charms and vice versa to really make the colours pop. But hey, it's your masterpiece, do whatever your heart desires. This part can take a while, so why not listen to a podcast or invite friends over for a shared earring making session? It's a great way to unwind and appreciate the little things in life. Once the paint is somewhat dry, peel off the protective film. Now, let's connect the charms using findings and our trusty jump ring opener. This little tool is super handy and makes opening and closing jump rings a breeze. Most charms already have a drilled hole, but if you need extra, that's where the mini hand drill comes in. Just place a rubber mat or a thick book underneath to protect your table. But be warned, it requires strength and practice. For quicker results, I recommend an electric drill. We sell these on our shop along with instructions. I've been using mine for 2 years and it's a game changer. Now, get ready to enter a state of creative flow as you assemble your earrings. Don't forget to check out the unique metal chains as well as the moon and star brass charms in the kit. They add a cool metallic touch. To attach the earring posts, dab a little bit of jewellery glue on the charm, press the post on and let it cure for 24 hours. Feel free to glue on the other components as well. Lastly, display your earrings on the earring cards or pop them on right away. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did making these.